Przyjechałam z Diki do sklepu zoologicznego. Patrzcie, jakie mamy żółwie. Hello. Oh, so cute. Hi, honey. I don't know if they bite, so you should be careful. You should try. Yeah, I'll see if it bites my finger off. Hi. You're so cute. Look at his face. Get a close up of it. Oh, they're sticking their heads up. Jakieś krewety czy co? Mamy inne rybki jakieś. Patrzcie, te jakie dzielactwa wielkie. A lot of stuff. I thought you don't like fish. Yeah, but I don't want fish at home, but it looks cute here. Yeah. Oh, look at this rainbow. That's an owl. Oh, it's so cute. I love it so much. Hello, cutie. She looks bored. She's just staring at you. And it was there. That's a Sebastian. It's a pigeon. Pigeon. Oh, it's cute. What? I don't know. There's my one. This seems like my fruit. Anna's holding a little baby, just like her bunny back at home.
Yes, exactly like mine.
Hi.
Hello.
He likes you.
Yeah.
Hello, little baby.
Hello, baby.
Anna's upset because she misses her bunny.
Yes.
The poor baby's crying.
I'm just so sad
Aww.
and so happy.
Happy and sad at the same time.
Yes. Okay, baby, I will leave you.
We might have to buy this one.
Yeah, you think so? What?
You can't find that one. It's the only one small enough to feed to the snakes.
Oh, look, he's laying down. He feels so comfortable.
Aww.
Or she, I don't know. Oh, baby, you're laying.
I need to delete some of these.
Look, and this one is kissing him. Oh, baby. Oh, Bruszcinku.
I want him to stand again. It's so cute.
Here we have a ferret.
Stand up.
Rybka śpi sobie. Tam mamy jakieś ptaszki. Tam są świnki morskie, szynszyle jeszcze. Mamy grampikata. Yeah. Ja z brustem. Spuścik. Kochanieciak, mój malutki.
Pulled out, they're growing in, and one broke. See?
Hello.
Those others that I pulled out, that one broke. When they're growing in, they have blood in it.
Staring. What's that? Nick, what's that? Ew. What's that?
It looks bald. Look at it staring at you.
What's that?
Looks like it wants to start a fight.
I don't know, but these puppies.
Hello, sweetie.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Uh-oh.
Come on my arm. Come on. Be a fight.
Oh.
Like the puppy wants it.
Oh, I love the puppy.
Hello, puppy.
This second one looks so poor. Just laying and staring.
That's like my turtle I had when I was little.
Really?
I had a pet turtle named Cuddles.
Cuddles?
Cuddles.
Oh, there's one. Big one.
I'm gonna get one of the bunnies.
Bunny? Czyli mamy jakieś jaszczury. Tam
Wow. Hello. Myszeczki. Tu mamy Grumpy Kata. Hey Grumpy. Hello. You don't like me? Okay. No problem. Go to sleep. Tutaj jeszcze mamy zajebistego dużego żółwia. Śpi sobie szynszyla. Jeszcze jakieś szczurki, wiecie. A tutaj Diki bawi się z króliczkami. A nie buddy. Hey babe. Baby to jest to jest nietoperz. Jakby ktoś chciał nietoperza w domu trzymać. Co ty możesz kupić? Taki ma paterka słodkie. A te brzydkie dziadostwa to są młode papugi, jeszcze łyse. Papi!
Oh, look at his face. Look at his face.
How you like it, Nick?
It's so cute. Look at that one. He looks like he just got woken up.
Hey, baby. Ja. Kurwiona i jem. O, a to kto? Dzień dobry. A tam patrzcie, malutkie urodziły się. Urocze.